Hey, what's up, guys? Got this nice little quick release here, and as you can see, it has your lock and it has your unlock. So this just pops out, and then when it's unlocked, you just push it in, and the piece slides right out. So it's pretty cool. So this still stays attached to your actual your lanyard piece, and then you have this part that stays on the actual camera. So it's pretty cool. It slides into your standard tripod mount, so you can pop that off, pop it right back in your tripod mount, and it's really nice. Slides right back in, so you just pop it back in there, and it slides right in the channel. So it's pretty cool. Looks pretty good. I'm pop this off for a second so you can see it. So it works kind of like this little lock piece here. See? So it's kind of like your little quick release, and then it locks when you turn it up, so it doesn't move. So it's a pretty cool little piece. Pretty great for the photographer, and I've been pretty happy with it overall.